Thank you for coming out. Today marks the first official podcast for the Moses Show. You know, I welcome everyone for stopping by. Since this is the first one, so I'm going to go a bit easy, you know what I mean? Nothing crazy. Just wanted to establish that, I'm cheap right now. All the sponsors, you know, I feel like this is the best time for you guys, you know, to come and sponsor a brother. Because, you know, as we grow, the money grows too, you know what I mean? You're gonna have to ask for some more paper. So yeah, so we mainly gonna be talking about, you know, relationship and personal growth and all the good stuff that help somebody become a better person. You know what I mean? So I thank you guys again, and yeah, subscribe of course, and you know, give me a thumbs up, like, you know, let's do it.